Because math, our most essential learning competency in this session is, of course, calculating the mean, variance, standard deviation of a discrete random variable. This time, we will be using formulas. And these are the formulas. The mean of a discrete random variable is given by this. This one is a Greek letter which is read as mu. Summation of x, meaning we'll just get the sum of the product of the random variable and of course the probability of the random variable, that is p of x. Now, what about the variance? The variance of a discrete random variable is given by this formula. This one is, of course, another Greek letter which is sigma. This one is read as sigma squared is equal to the summation of, this time you will be multiplying x squared and the probability of the random variable minus, of course, the mean squared. And for the standard deviation, you just get the square root of this. Square root of this. That is already the standard deviation. Number 1, find the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the following discrete probability distribution. So I have listed what we need here. We need x times p of x, random variable, times the probability of the random variable. And then we need to square this one, the random variable, and the product of course, the squared of the random variable and the probability of the random variable. So let us multiply. It's 0. This one is 0.20. This one is 0.90. This one is 0.45. 4 times 0.05. What is 4 times 0.05? That is 0.20. And this one is, of course, 0.25. Okay. So, what about x squared? X squared is, of course, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, and then 25. Okay. After that, we need to, of course, multiply x squared and this one. X squared times p of x, that's 0. 1 times 0.20 is 0.20. 4 times 0.45 is 1.8. Sorry, it's 1.8. 9 times 0.15 is 1.35. 16 times 0.05 is 0.8. And 25 times 0.05 is 1.25. Okay. We get the sum of this. This one is summation of x times p of x. Adding everything, that one is equal to 2. We get summation of this 2, x squared times p of x. We add everything. This one will be equal to 5.4. You use calculator here. Okay, next. To get the, of course, the mean has this symbol, mu, Greek letter. This is already your mean. It's equal to 2. Okay. So your mean, therefore, is the summation of x times p of x, which is, of course, equal to 2. Okay. For your variance, this one is the symbol. Summation of x squared p of x minus, of course, mu squared. This one is sigma. We have 5.4 minus 2 squared. So 2 squared is 4. That will be equal to, our variance is 1.4. 5.4 minus 4 is 1.4. Now, to get the standard deviation, you will just get, of course, the square root of this. Square root of 1.4 is, using calculator, this one is 1.8. Example 2, we have here a discrete probability distribution. So this is the random variable and probability of the random variable. If we'll add this one, this should be equal to, of course, 1. If we'll add this one is 3 over 10 plus 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10. Let us verify whether it is really a discrete probability distribution. So the LCD is 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1, 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2, 4. 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 1. So this is 1. So this one is really a probability distribution. It's 10 over 10. Now, let us multiply the 2. This is x times p of x. Okay. So we have 6 over 10. We have 6 over 5. We have 4 over 5. We have 5 over 10. Okay. So, the next column will be, of course, for our x squared. So, this one is 4, 9, 16, 25. And the last column will be for the product of x squared and p of x. Okay. So, let us multiply 4 by 3 over 10. That is 12 over 10. 9 times 2 over 5. That is 18 over 5. 16 times 1 over 5 is 16 over 5. And this one is 25 over 10. Getting, of course, summation of x times p of x. Let us get the sum. This one is equivalent to, of course, 6 over 10 plus 6 over 5 plus 4 over 5 plus 5 over 10. Okay, getting the LCD will be 10. This is 6. This one is 12. This one is 8. And this one is 5. So we have here 20, 31 over 10. So our mean or mu is 31 over 10. Okay. Now, what about for the x squared times p of x? Let us now add this. Okay. So we have here 12 over 10 plus 18 over 5 plus 16 over 5 plus 25 over 10. So 10, we have 12. This one is 36. This one is 32. And this one is 25. So adding everything, we have, what is the sum of 12, 36, 32, and 25? We have 105 over 10. Let us check. This one is 68. This one is 37. So it's really 105 over 10. So our summation of x squared times p of x, this is summation of x squared times p of x is equivalent to 105 over 10. This is 105. 105 over 10. Okay. So now, let us compute for the variance. We already have, of course, our mean there. Our mean is 31 over 10. And the variance is, we have summation of x squared times p of x minus mean squared. So this one is equivalent to 105 over 10 minus 31 over 10 squared. When you press this on your calculator, you will be getting here. How do you press it? Open parenthesis, 105 divided by 10, close, minus, open parenthesis, 31 divided by 10, and then close, and then you press the square, this key in your calculator. So you will be getting here 0.89. And of course, once you get the square root of that, that is your standard deviation. So 0.89 square root, the standard deviation is equal to 0.94. That's it.